Hello friends, welcome back to the English grammar classes. Today's our topic is articles, which will be helpful for TET, SSC, RRB, any of the competitive exams. So please don't miss it. See the video until end. And if you are new to our channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. Remember to share, like and subscribe. Okay. Now coming back to our topic. So which is our topic? Today's our topic is articles. Okay. We all know that there are three articles in English grammar. Those are a and the. These a and the are divided into two parts. Definite article and indefinite article. Okay, now we will see what are definite article and what are indefinite articles are. Okay, see here. Indefinite article. Indefinite article means which does not refer to any particular person or thing is known as indefinite article. What it means? Indefinite articles means which is not a particular. Okay, we can say about anything which is not particular. In indefinite article we use a and an articles. Okay, now we will see definite articles. What are definite articles? An article which is used to refer particular person or a thing is known as definite article. Okay, what is definite article? Definite articles are those which are particular, which are specified. We use the for the particular person or the specified person or a thing. Okay, that is called as definite article. Fine. Now we will see the detail of a, an and the articles. Now in first we will see use of a articles. But you might be wondering that why I am using here Hindi Varnamalas. With this Hindi Varnamalas, I am having a very good trick to understand the articles. Okay, let's see now. When a article is used, article a is used before words those begin with consonants. Okay, somewhere we heard the word consonants, right? Yeah, I have made a video of vowels and consonants in previous video. I have mentioned link in the description below. You can refer for better understanding. Okay, coming to the slide. See here. What are the examples given? Chair, pen, school. Yes? Chair. What is the first letter for chair? C is the first letter. C. It is a vowel or a consonant? C is a consonant. So, the word which begin with consonant, we use A. Same, look at here, pen. For pen also, P is consonant. So, we are using A. And for school, S is also consonant. So, here we are using A. Okay. Now, coming to the second point, this is little bit tricky. Listen carefully. Article A is used before the word that sounds consonant even though they begin with vowel. Okay. We know that the which word begin with vowel we use an article. But here what it is saying, article A is used before the word that sounds consonant even though they begin with vowel. See, for understanding this, I will add little Hindi in it. Now we will see the use of the Varnamalas. Okay, in Hindi there will be swar and Vyanjan, right? What are the swar? Swar are a, e till ah. And what are Vyanjans? Vyanjans are ka, kha, ga, gha till gnya. Okay, remember this trick. For swar, we have to use an, and for Vyanjan, we have to use A. Yes. What I said? For swar we have to use N, and for Vyanjan we have to use A. See, this is very simple logic. See here how we will use this. See in the example what it is written? Unique, right? Unique. But what is the first letter here? First letter is U. Yeah, U is oval, right? But what it is saying? Article A is used before the word that sounds consonant even though they begin with vowel. Okay, unique. What sound is coming with the unique word? Sound U is coming. U. It means ear. It means ear. That in Vyanjan it is there na, ear, love. That ear sound is coming. So if it is coming ear sound, just now I said, if it comes Vyanjan, what we have to use? We have to use A. Yes, understood? It is the nice trick to understand, right? Yes. Let's see the next example also. University. University. Again, U is a oval. But this is, from this you are getting a sound of U. Not a. U. You are getting sound of U. It means ear. Ear comes in Vyanjan. For Vyanjan what we use? For Vyanjan we use A article. Okay, nice. Next we will see use of an article. Okay, see the first one. Article an is used before the word those begin with vowels. Yes, already I told you that I have a video made of vowels and consonants, and link given below in the description. Please refer it for better understanding. Okay. Articles an is used before the word those begin with vowels. What are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. See the example now. Army, umbrella, eraser, orange, ice cream. See, A is oval. A is oval, and as I said of Hindi, it is coming in A, in swar. So we have to use N. Umbrella, A, it is coming in swar. So we have to use N. Eraser, E, it is coming in swar. So we have to use N. Orange, O is coming in swar. So we have to use N. Ice cream, I is coming in swar. So we have to use N. Now, coming to the second point. What is the second point? Article an is used before the word begin with silent H. Okay, in English some of the words will be there that the first letter will be silent. See here what it is given? Hour. Hour is what? The time saying, right? We don't say it as hour. We say it as hour. So here H is silent. So A is coming first. For that also we have to use an article. An honest person. An honor. Okay, understood? This is the use of an article. Now we will test our mind. Okay, I will give the questions here. For a while you pause the video, think, answer it, and again play the video. Okay, see here. What are the questions? First one. Ravi goes to school on dash bicycle. Yes. Ravi goes to school on dash bicycle. Bicycle. B is a consonant or a vowel? B is a consonant. So here it comes A. Okay, good. Then we will go to second. He is dash good boy. G is vowel or a consonant? G is a consonant. So here again it comes A. Okay. Then coming to the third one, I shall reach there in dash hour. Concentrate. Here hour. H is silent. So what here it comes? Here we use an article. Okay. Right. Then we will go for the fourth one. Italy is dash European country. Italy is dash European country. Here European, we are having E in the first, so that we, in our mind it comes that we have to use an. But I have said about swar and vyanjan, remember that also. European, it is letter is coming U. U means ya, ya, e, u. U, it means ya. Ya is in Vyanjan, so we have to use here A. Okay. Princess mother gave her apple. Okay, what here it comes? Apple. A is a vowel, so here it comes an. Okay, let's see. See, how many of you did the correct one? Yes, very good. Then, now we see the use of the article. Okay, we will see the first one. First one, it is saying that when we use the article while speaking of a particular person or thing or one already referred. What it is saying? It when the article used only when we say about a specific person or thing, otherwise which is already exist before. Okay, see the example now. I met a girl. The girl is author. See, before girl we used the. Why? Why? Because in the first already I said that I met a girl, and again I am giving description about the same girl. So I used the. I met a girl and the girl is author. Okay, understood? Going to the second one. She found a bag. The bag was expensive. Now here I am telling about the bag. In the first sentence I told she found a bag. And again I am talking about that bag. So there I used the bag was expensive. Right? Already it is referred bag. So there I am using the bag was expensive. Understood? Very easy? Right. Now we will go to the second point. What is the second point? Article the is used before superlatives. Then you might be getting confusion that what are superlatives. For now, just you understand that longest, smallest, best, worst, those are superlatives. In detail, we will discuss in the further videos. Okay. For now, just you remember that we will use the before the superlatives. What are superlatives? We will study in the further videos. Now coming to the third point. Here what is the third point? Article the is used with names of buildings. Okay, names of buildings, rivers, ocean, sea. Okay, names of building, any building names, for that we use the. For names of rivers like Ganga, Indus, Narmada, we use the. For the Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, we use the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And sea like Arabian Sea, we say the Arabian Sea, the Andaman Sea, right? Okay. Then come to the fourth point. Article the is used before directions. Means direction means north, east, south, west. We say that the north, the east, the south, the west. And newspapers like the Hindu, the Deccan Chronicle, like that. And the musical instruments like the piano, the guitar. Okay. Now understood for use of the article? Yes, it was very interesting. Now what we will do? We will rewrite the sentences given below. Okay. What it is? We have to rewrite the sentences given below. Here I have given some sentences. You have to see where the article is used. Okay. See here. What is the first one? Who was the first man to step on moon? Yes. Think. Got the answer? Okay. Now we will see the answer here. Answer is, who was the first man to step on the moon? Moon is a particular thing which is only one. Yes, which is only one. So before moon we used the. Understood? Yes. Then we will see the second one. Bible has been printed in many languages. Okay, what the answer might be? What the answer might be? Yes, we will see the answer, and the answer is, the Bible has been printed in many languages. Bible is also only one, right? Bible is only one. It might be printed in many languages, but the Bible book, that is only one. So before Bible we used the article. Then we will see the third one. Have you read Mahabharat? Here also same. Mahabharat is the only one epic. Right? So before Mahabharat we use article the. Have you read the Mahabharat? Yes. Understood? Yeah, nice. And now this is the end of today's topic. Thanks for watching it. If you felt the video is useful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.